Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. If your garbage disposal keeps running continuously and refuses to shut off, don't panic because this issue is more common than many homeowners realize. A garbage disposal that won't turn off can be caused by a faulty switch, an electrical problem, or a jam affecting the unit's controls. Since the appliance involves moving parts and electricity, it's important to approach the problem carefully. Fortunately, there are several simple checks you can perform before considering a replacement. In many situations, the issue can be corrected with a few basic troubleshooting steps. In this video, I'll guide you through several easy methods that may help fix a garbage disposal that won't turn off. Try this. Step 1. Immediately disconnect power to the garbage disposal to prevent further operation. Step 2. Verify that the wall switch controlling the garbage disposal is functioning properly. Step 3. Inspect the garbage disposal for signs of a jam or obstruction. Step 4. Check the reset button located on the garbage disposal unit. Step 5. Restore power and test whether the garbage disposal responds normally. Step 6. Confirm that the garbage disposal turns on and off correctly after troubleshooting.